So the song is dedicated not just to Gary Fox Pahinui, but also our last reading king was also an avid surfer.
Right.
Hey. Kind of like more like light reggae. You said you love me, and I said I love you. So why don't you stop your little crying and dry your weary eye? And you know I love you. Ooh, baby, here I am. Come rub upon my belly like guava jelly. Oh, oh, oh. Darling, steer it up. I know that we can steer it. Come on and steer it up. Oh, little darling, steer it up. Well, here it is about 1 o'clock in the morning. Goes like this. Hey. We can steer it down. Girl, we can steer it down. Go, baby, we can steer it down. Then we can steer it down. Girl, we can steer it down. I'm gonna go, baby, we can steer it down. Steer it up, mix it up in the morning time. Mix it up in the evening. When you wake up in the morning till the sun shine. Well, steer it down, girl, make me feel so fine. Why don't you? where it's be. So when I'm thirsty. As we end our show, allow me to sound the conch of the ending of another day as the sun sets in the west. And we hope you continue to enjoy your time here in Waikiki. Once again, as we say farewell to all of you at the blowing of the conch, we end another day, another beautiful show for all of you. Enjoy your time here. Experience all that you can. Take home some of that aloha spirit with you. Always come back and visit us as well. On behalf of yours truly, Blaine Kia, my bass player, Kalei Kahalevai, our beautiful cast of beautiful hula dancers, my wife, my two girls, as well as our hula sisters. Another way of saying the word aloha, we often use the word velina. Velina mai oe, heke aloha, ka iingi puwai, e ia hoi Hawaii. O olohe ia, e pili mai nei, aloha uo, e hali alai no, e o mai. Can you hear her calling you? This silent paradise. It's here that you will find a sweet embrace of aloha. From the whispering winds on high, hallelujah, to the sounds of timeless seas, it will bring back fond memories when Hawaii calls. When Hawaii calls. When Hawaii calls. From all of us to all of you, mahalo, aloha, and good night. Good night, John Boy. Good night, Mary Ellen.